Hola, I'm Yvette with Muy Bueno, and today I'm going to show you how to make a michelada. A michelada is basically a Mexican red beer. Let me show you how simple it is to make. What you want to do first is you want to rim your glass with a lime wedge, and then we are going to rim it with tajin. You can use coarse salt if you want. I just happen to love the spicy flavor of tajin, which is a chili lime blend with some salt. And the michelada is super refreshing with lots of ice. So we're gonna fill our glass with ice. Like I said, this is a red beer, so we wanna add some tomato juice. And this is V8. You can also use clamato if you like. I just happen to love the flavor of V8. So this is about half a cup of V8 juice. And then you wanna add your spice. So I happen to love a spicy michelada. So I'm gonna add some tabasco. You can add as little or as much as you want. And Worcestershire sauce, which gives it a nice smoky flavor. So a little bit goes a long way. You just need a couple of drops. And then you want to add some fresh lime juice, always fresh lime juice. You want to add a juice of 1 full lime. And then you want to top it with your favorite Mexican beer. I just happen to love a michelada with an amber Mexican beer. Yum! And you want to give that a good stir. You can use a stir stick. I happen to love little celery for some garnish. Add a slice of lime. And voila, there's your Mexican red beer, your michelada. Super refreshing any time of year. Salud!